Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Fan Feature Friday. I hope you all had a great week and an even better weekend planned ahead. Let me know down in the comments what you guys all are doing for your weekend. We are celebrating this Fan Feature Friday with Kevin from Oklahoma and his 2019 4Runner TRD Offroad. We have a very clean setup here from Kevin. We have a 3-inch rough country rear lift. He's done an Old Man Emu front coilover lift. He's done Freedom Off-Road upper control arms, and his tires are Milestar Patagonia mud terrain tires. And a simple aesthetic to wrap it up, he's blacked out all of his badging on the vehicle. Some of the modifications that he has for the future is a Artec front bumper, some A-arm skid protection from Artec as well. He's going to do the full LED interior light package and a front diff drop kit, which is essential when you lift the front end of these 4Runners. He also wants to put on some rock sliders and more armor. Kevin, thank you so much for sending in your 4Runner. Guys, again, this is Fan Feature Friday where you guys send me in your vehicles, modifications you've done, if it's a lot, if it's a little, modifications that you want to do in the future, and if you have a social media, I like to shout you out there so we can all give you a follow over there as well. I appreciate it, guys, and I will catch you all on the next one. All right, see you later.